Journey into silence, understanding, into the silent land. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, into the silent land. It's a poetic and evocative expression that can convey deep meanings, emotions, and imagery. Understanding phrases like these can enrich your English learning journey, so let's explore this together. Into the silent land literally refers to entering a place of complete silence. This could be an actual physical location devoid of noise or a metaphorical space where quietness prevails. The term, silent land, often evokes a sense of peace, tranquility, and perhaps isolation. In literature and poetry, into the silent land is frequently used to symbolize death or the afterlife, a journey from the noisy, bustling world of the living to the quietness of death. However, it can also represent a state of meditation, reflection, or escape from the chaos of daily life. This phrase has been used by various authors and poets to convey different emotions and themes. For instance, it might appear in a poem to describe the peacefulness of nature or in a novel to express a character's longing for escape or peace. When using into the silent land in conversation or writing, think about the context and the feeling you want to convey. It's a powerful phrase that can add depth to your communication, especially in creative writing or when discussing topics related to peace, reflection, or the human condition. Thank you for joining us today as we explored into the silent land. We hope this journey has not only taught you about the phrase itself but also inspired you to appreciate the beauty and depth of the English language. Remember, every phrase opens a door to a new world of understanding and expression. See you in our next video, and happy learning!